Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need windshield repair, tire repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to John Marazzi Nissan, you get quality service performed in a state-of-the-art facility by trusted professionals. And while you wait, enjoy our luxury lounge, cafe, and kids play area. Visit our interactive website at www.marazzinissan.com, where you can schedule a service appointment, print out money-saving service coupons, get information about our complimentary loaner service, and when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. John Marazzi Nissan is located at 3640 Pine Ridge Road in Naples, Florida.